Looking at a light at the end of this tunnel.
Exactly, Amanda. Things are starting to change for us here in the Bay Area. We have been dealing with so much rain in the forecast, but take a look at San Jose right now. Starting off with a live look in downtown, those clouds are still pretty low laying, and yes, they are producing some rain. They're cumulonimbus clouds, by the way, but as we extend into our afternoon hours, things are really going to start changing. Official sunrise is within the next hour, and it's going to look a lot drier and a lot more beautiful right around the corner once this area of low pressure really starts to circulate its way out of the Bay Area. And it already has for our friends up in the North Bay. We're starting off with dry conditions if you're leaving the door within the next 15 minutes or so, even for our friends along the peninsula. The one hot spot I really want to focus on right now, though, is San Jose all the way up into Milpitas, where within the next 15 minutes or so, that rain band will really start pushing off into the east, drying us up right around the corner. But if you live up in those hills, keep in mind we still have a little bit more from where that system came from. So for the next hour or so, we're still going to be dealing with some drizzly conditions. If that does impact your drive into work today, or if you are working today, just be very careful out there on the roads. We're going to be seeing these hit or miss showers even into the 7 o'clock hour, and then it starts really clearing up as we extend into the afternoon. We could see a little bit of energy push in from offshore, but it looks like it's all pushing off into the Santa Cruz Mountains. What does that mean for us? Well, things are starting to dry up. And that's great news, especially as we head into our Tuesday forecast. It's dry across the board, and it's almost the case for Wednesday too, but I will say this. Wednesday, we have a quick moving band of rain starting around 5 o'clock up in the North Bay, sweeping throughout the whole Bay Area into the evening hours that night. So if you have a date planned that night, just keep the umbrella handy. It's going to start drying up after that point. We're going to be seeing clear conditions even into the weekend. A wind advisory is still in effect for us this morning as we take it a step back until 9 a.m. all throughout the Bay Area. Take a look at your local area. Wind gusts are anywhere up to 25 miles per hour in San Francisco. We can see gustier conditions by that 7 o'clock hour, and then it kind of goes back and forth. It dies down for a little bit into the afternoon, but it is still breezy along the coast, especially into the evening hours just up in the North Bay. Now, for our friends all the way from San Francisco, even off into our inland areas, we're going to see drier conditions tomorrow and drier conditions for the rest of the week. That's just that splash of showers heading into Wednesday's forecast that I mentioned. We're going to have more on that in a bit, but for now, over to you, Jocelyn.